Hey everyone, welcome to BeYourOwnIT.com's free tutorial session, and we're going to go over a piece of software called DirSyncPro, or Directory Synchronization Pro. It is a free download that you can pick up, and what it does is it synchronizes files between directories. In other words, it backs up things for you. The jobs, they show up here. You can make new jobs, you can edit old ones, you can move them up and down, and they'll all get run when you hit play. And what we're doing for the first one is you set up your first directory, which in this case I'm going to make it be the My Pictures directory, and I'm going to make this other directory be a new folder out in the external drive. So we're going to click for new folder, name it My Pictures. We're going to select My Pictures, and we're going to go through this real quick. Synchronize from A to B basically means if you make any changes to a file, or if you make any new files in directory A, they're going to show up in directory B when you run. Directory B to A is the same thing, but in reverse. Synchronize both ways means that if there's a new file in A and a new file and a different new file in B, both folders will be in both files. Backup is a full copy. That means even if you already have a file already completely in the other folder, it's going to recopy the entire thing. Takes the longest, but it makes sure that it's all there. Contribute is just for new files. So I mean, if you change an old file, it won't be picked up. And those are the customization options for synchronization modes. We have job 1, and we will open up the My Pictures file, and we will open up the external drive My Pictures file. And what's going to happen here is we're going to take these two pictures and put them in the My Pictures file. We're going to run DirSyncPro, and these pictures, along with a desktop file that's hidden on this side, will show up in the directory. Now, the more things we place in here, the more things that will be backed up every time we run it. But see, it only copied that one file. It's not going to recopy everyone unless we set it to a full backup. I personally use DirSyncPro. I use it to manage a video library, which has gotten kind of out of hand on me. And it's nice to be able to back up everything without having to go through everything piece by piece. Because I mean, some of these libraries can range to 500, 600, 700 items, and they can get to be a real bear in a very short amount of time. So DirSyncPro is a viable option for backups. I mean, you can set it to be a file on a different hard drive. You can set it to be a file on a flash drive. You just back these up. You can even back them up and then burn it if that's what you want. But it is a good option for backing up your files and preserving the things you find precious. Thanks. This has been Will for Be Your Own IT.